Want to unpublish a Facebook page and hide it from the public? In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to unpublish your Facebook page directly from the Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app and tap the three-line menu icon. Now, switch to the Facebook page you want to hide by tapping the drop-down arrow beside your profile name and selecting your page. Once the page opens, tap the menu icon again. After that, scroll down and open Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Now scroll down until you find Access and Control under your page settings. Tap on it, then select Unpublish Page. Facebook will now show a confirmation message explaining that your page will be hidden from the public, but you can republish it anytime later. Tap Continue, then press Confirm. That's it. Your Facebook page is now unpublished, and no one will be able to find or view it publicly. Facebook page in the app, and then selecting Turn Off. After that, confirm it. If this video helped, and yeah, that's how to unpublish or hide a Facebook page on Facebook.